Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice space white metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front with blind spot detection, the XLT logo. We got some nice decals on the hood, which adds a nice clean look to the vehicle, with a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, some storage, plenty of storage on the door, floor mats, hooks, USB and USB-C, and you do get some under-seat storage as well. Let me just get this open, which is pretty handy. And of course you do get your normal cup holder and arm space, which is pretty nice. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front. Lights, gas cap, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer stay at 18 kilometers. We get a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, drive modes, which do include normal, sport, tow and haul, and all the way to the left here we have eco and slippery. We have our voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, tripping economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have your gear select, parking brake, traction, cup holders, more storage there, your center console with more storage there. You have your 12-volt USB, USB-C, engine start, volume, playback, play forward, a comm screen, hazards, traction, auto hold, not traction, max temp, storage below, storage right there as well, a nice 13.2-inch touchscreen with your climate controls at the bottom. We have our home screen as well, which has audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our settings right here, just your normal vehicle settings. Nothing much past that. Features such as your towing, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB20287, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.